let off the throttle or the steering, and it was still doing donuts.
Douche. Dude, you're like digging into the ground. That was beast.
It was. You want to drive it?
Yes, I do.
Just keep it like kind of right here in the central area.
And you just keep recording.
Alright. Wait, I can't find it. There it is.
It's already recording, dude.
Yeah, I know.
How are you doing with this weird thing?
I was just letting it go on full throttle and full lock and steer. Yeah. Was that in reverse?
Yeah.
Make it go in full throttle.
In reverse?
No. Yeah, its battery's dying.
Already? Well, 45 minutes, I guess. You know, like... Oh, depression.
Yeah, its batteries are dead.
Come up here, hurry, Batman. Go!
Sometimes it'll work better in reverse.
You can do it. Come on, Batman. Batman says he's dead.
Editor, help!
45 minutes don't last long on a battery charge, does it?
No. Alright, hey, whoa. Let's stop. Go on.
Yeah, I probably should. Is the remote supposed to be on? Go backwards.
No, you have to turn off the truck first.
Go turn off. You're still recording.
Let off the gas.
I'm not on the gas, dude.
Holy crap!
God, dude, you should let it... Probably... Slow drive.
Look at all that.
No! Bye-bye, 40.